Happy New Year, everybody. I wish you a wonderful 2023. Today's the day. I'm leaving the coastline and I'm heading inland towards Ella. I'm going by scooter. I'm going to pass a national park, hopefully see some elephants and explore a bit of the hillside of the country. I'm excited. Let's go. Totally forgot this place was including breakfast.
Ask me.
Ask me.
Ask me.
Eggs in there?
No
Milk?
eggs. No eggs.
No milk?
I only coconut milk.
Oh, yeah.
Only coconut milk.
Cool.
This is oil cake, rice flour, sugar, honey.
No milk, no egg.
No milk.
Yeah.
And milk rice, but coconut milk.
Ah, that's cool.
Cocos milk.
Name is cookies.
Cookies.
Cookies. Cool, man. Thank you very much. I've done about 60 kilometers in a little under 1.5 hours, and I'm in the middle of nowhere. No European writing anymore, only these Sinhalese, Sri Lankan curly letters, and I'm in a place called Valasmula. Oh yeah, crazy meat hut, alright, Jesus Christ. Despite everybody here looking at me like, what just happened? Is this an alien? I'm gonna go on an adventure now. I'm gonna go onto a marketplace in the middle of nowhere in Sri Lanka. This is like the real deal. A marketplace. Hello. No. What's going on? People selling vegetables. Hello. Wow. I wonder if I can find a coconut here. Or something like that. Hello. Hey. What are those? Okay, I don't know. Thank you. Nobody here speaks a word English. Oh. Garlic. No. Yeah, basically vegetables for the most part and right. No. Potatoes. Oh yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, got any coconut? Coconut to drink? Coconut? There's a coconut? Trying to get a coconut here. Oh yeah, okay, cool. This gentleman is bringing me to the coconut stand, to the bar. What an adventure trying to get a coconut in whatever it's called. Beautiful dog here. Music, rock and roll. I'm gonna get kidnapped. No, I'm not. Nope. Ah, cool. Nice. Can I have one? Okay. Thank you. Ella. Ella? I don't know. I don't understand. Sorry. No Sinhalese.
Where are from?
Germany.
Germany. Okay, thanks, sir.
Yeah, I'm driving to Ella.
Oh, go. Okay, see ya.
How much is that?
100 rupees.
100. Cool.
Very cheap price. Huh?
Yeah, it's cheap. Hangama is twice.
100.
Double price.
Ah.
Thank you. A very hot day.
Yes.
Driving on the scooter for 200 kilometers. So we are in
Karametia.
Karamatia.
Yeah.
And your name?
Marvin.
Marvin. Cool. Nice to meet you guys. Hello. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you. Yeah, that guy spoke English, surprisingly. No, I'm good, thanks. Thank you. Another guy wants to sell me another coconut. But yeah, I only can drink so much, so. Bye. Bye-bye. Thank you. It's so interesting to really be the only person of my culture in a place that's totally different. I can't help but feel a bit alienated. We're all humans, we're all about love. People have empathy, people have compassion, but different rules here, man. Different way of living, much more simple, much poorer. Something happens to you here, you don't know how far you get in terms of communication. I can't say that I feel particularly rested, but yeah, on we go. Another 120 kilometers, 2.5, 3 hours. It's a very hot day, man. The sun is exhausting. How are you? I'm empty, or like on a quarter, and I want to not run out of gas on the way through the national park. I'm really in the absolute sticks, and it's only getting hotter. It's a long drive. It's really exhausting. My neck, my shoulders hurt. Wow. Yeah, well, 1 hour 55 to go. 89 kilometers. So many temples along the way. That's a big Buddha. Check out the buffaloes. Taking a bath and the birds sitting on their heads. That's amazing. Oh my God. The roads aren't paved anymore. I hope that's not the case for too long, because that would be a little too much, to be honest. Rice fields. I keep passing dead dogs that have been run over, and I don't feel like filming this. It's really brutal, man. All right, 20 kilometers to Wubba Lubba Dub Dub. I found a road stop with food that looks kind of trustworthy. I mean, there's not a single letter that I can read here. Trying to get a rice and curry, but they don't speak any English. Dal? Okay, but no rice curry?
No fried rice.
Oh, no rice.
Veggie.
Yeah, fried rice.
Veggie fried rice.
Okay,
Okay.
perfect. Thank you.
Half. Half.
Half? One.
One.
Yeah. Good. Fried rice with vegetables. On we go towards Ella. Man, I'm exhausted. But yeah, I'm excited. White pelicans. This is probably the coolest traffic sign I've ever seen. Isn't that elephant poop? I would think so. And then all of a sudden it's this. Literally from one moment to the next. So this is Weligama bus station. From here on out, people get dropped into tuk-tuks and go up the mountain to Ella. So it's all uphill from now. Excited. I didn't see any elephants, unfortunately. There's a restaurant in the shape of a boat. This is Weligama. We're climbing now. It's also slowly getting colder. After dark, it's supposedly only around 17 degrees Celsius. Macaque family here, hanging out. And check out this view. I'm pretty high already. Monkeys, loads of monkeys, loads of humans, and yeah. All basically just local people. There's no Europeans or Americans or Caucasian. The monkeys is chilling out here everywhere. Macaques. Macaques and dogs together. Coexistence. Peace. We're almost struggling to get up the mountain now. It's so steep. Definitely up high now, about 1,000 meters, and it's getting cold. I'm gonna put on a sweater. Look at the waterfall in the distance. Beautiful. I guess this is rockfall prevention. Alright, here we have white people again. They all go in their bubble and get out here again by train or by bus. What's up? Well, back to tourism, I guess. Slow days. Mantra. One love. Cute place. Sweet. Very sweet. Alright, I got myself a room. This is 9,000 rupees for a night. And yeah, the view is pretty convincing. Like, wow. It's Adams Peak over there. People are so accommodating here, man. Even in the hotel last night, they were so nice. Like, literally trying everything they can to make you feel comfortable. Even here, also, you get a herbal tea with jagara is the name, like some kind of honey candy. Yesterday I got free coconuts. So nice of people. Taking a little stroll into town, trying to find dinner. It's about maybe 20 degrees now, a lot cooler, and down at the coastline, Scan Alpine hiking bar equipment. That guy's playing. Yeah, it's pretty alive. Some original food and places that strike me more as tourist traps. Place called Mantra. Well, they sell clothes. Live music, that's pretty cool. Well, I guess live-ish. Just the two of us, you and I. Just the two of us. Bill Withers. You would be proud, would he know, that some dude is playing his vocal lines in the midst of the Sri Lankan mountains. On a saxophone. Sweet place, man. It really has a bit of a mountain vibe to it. A little more effort seems to have been put into tourism here. The cafes look a bit nicer, the restaurants look a bit cleaner and fancier.